हेलो बच्चों। आज हम लोग सीखेंगे ए फॉर एप्पल, बी फॉर बॉल। सबसे पहले हम लोग कलर्स नेम जानते हैं। ये है बच्चों ऑरेंज कलर। ऑरेंज कलर। ये है बच्चों पर्पल कलर। पर्पल कलर। ये है बच्चों रेड कलर। रेड कलर। ये है बच्चों येलो कलर। येलो कलर। ऑरेंज कलर। ऑरेंज कलर। A for apple. A for apple. A for apple. Is purple color. Purple color. B for ball. B for ball. B for ball. Red color. C for cat. C for cat. C for cat. Yellow color. D for dog. D for dog. D for dog. Orange color. E for elephant. E for elephant. E for elephant. Purple color. F for flag. F for flag. F for flag. Red color. G for gun. G for gun. G for gun. Yellow color. H for hen. H for hen. H for hen. Orange color. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Purple color. J for joker. J for joker. J for joker. Red color. K for kite. K for kite. K for kite. Yellow color. L for lion. L for lion. L for lion. Orange color. M for monkey. M for monkey. M for monkey. Purple color. N for nest. N for nest. N for nest. Red color. O for orange. O for orange. O for orange. Yellow color. P for parrot. P for parrot. P for parrot. Orange color. Q Q for queen. Q for queen. Q for queen. Purple color. R. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. Red color. S. S for sun. S for sun. S for sun. Yellow color. T. T for tiger. T for tiger. T for tiger. Orange color. U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Purple color. V. V for van. V for van. V for van. Red color. W. W for watch. W for watch. W for watch. Orange color. X. X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. Purple color. Y. Y for yak. Y for yak. Y for yak. Red color. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. बच्चों हम लोग एक बार फिर से रिपीट करते हैं. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for flag. G for gun. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for vegetables. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Z for zebra.